Me, I'm not just a melon, right? I'm gonna freeze. No, no, please. I have a family. Wait, no. Okay, guys, for this too real moment, let's save the melon. Okay, first get a blue sword, and then freeze it, and then get a silk machine. It works now.